Yes, welcome aboard. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and today we have a very beautiful topic to share about, and it is classification of arthropods. Classification of arthropods. Classification of arthropods. But before we go any further, let's first see what arthropods are and which group are they as in general. Someone asks you, what are arthropods? We see that arthropods are invertebrate animals. Arthropods are invertebrate animals. Arthropods are invertebrate animals whose bodies are segmented. And they have jointed legs. Those are arthropods. Animals with segmented bodies and jointed legs. Yes, you can move around whichever animal you find with segmented body and with jointed legs, then you get to know that that is an arthropod. This being a definition, let me take you back to what we call invertebrates. Invertebrates. These are animals whose bodies do not contain a backbone. Invertebrates are animals whose bodies do not contain a backbone. Invertebrates are animals whose bodies do not contain a backbone. Some other people can call it spine. Yes, or vertebral column. Animals whose bodies do not contain a backbone or a spine. They are called invertebrates, from the word vertebral column. Now, what are other groups of invertebrates apart from arthropods? Other groups of vertebrates. Other groups of vertebrates. One is worms. Then we have coelenterates. Good. We have sponges. We have mollusks. Good. Then if we can see, we have arthropods, worms, coelenterates, sponges, mollusks. Then we have echinodons. These are the groups of Groups of invertebrates. Good. Groups of invertebrates. Worms, quadrupeds, sponges, mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. For today's business, we are talking about arthropods. Then tomorrow we shall talk about some other groups, one group at a time. Allow me to wrap this. Good. Now, like we have said that arthropods are invertebrates whose bodies are segmented and they have jointed legs. Let's look at groups of arthropods. Groups of arthropods. These include arachnids. Good. Yeah, then we have insects. Good. Then we have mediapods. We cannot forget crustaceans. These are the groups of arthropods: arachnids, insects, mediapods, and crustaceans. Let's begin with arachnids. What are arachnids? Arachnids are arthropods with 2 body segments and 8 legs. They have 2 body segments and 8 legs. 2 body segments and 8 legs. Those are arachnids. We can have examples. Of arachnids. These include mites, ticks, scorpions, then we have spiders. These are few examples of arthropods whose bodies have 2 segments and 8 legs. Let's look at what the body segments are. What these 2 body segments are. The head of an arachnid is fused with the thorax. The head segments of an arachnid. The head is fused with thorax, and the combination of the head and the thorax is called cephalothorax. Is cephalothorax. This is a combination of the head and the thorax. Cephalo, would it be L? Yeah. most likely, yeah, cephalothorax, this L. The combination of the head and the thorax gives cephalothorax, whereby cephalo meaning the head and thorax means thorax. Then we have the abdomen. The next segment is abdomen. So the arch that has cephalothorax, which is a combination of the head and the thorax, then plus abdomen. This is how special arch and these are. They have two body segments, that is cephalothorax and abdomen. They look more likely like insects. In next video hours, I'm going to talk about insects. For now, we have covered arachnoids. The next lesson, we shall talk about insects. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like the video, share it to friends. We can teach ourselves, we can learn one step at a time. Thank you.